the car left wheel and the right wheel judgment. How to know? Guys, it's very simple. Just mark two lines over here. This is the two lines that are telling us from which direction my car is traveling. Wherever there is an empty space of the road, I just need to keep these two lines on that empty space of the road and just go outside the car, mark the exact left wheel. From there, just mark a line like this. Whichever car or vehicle or object will cross, just keep it left side of the middle of the car. And from where our car middle travels, from where we see the middle is traveling, from there the car left wheel goes. Okay, that's very simple. Now whichever vehicle I'll be crossing, just keep a focus over here. First of all, go outside of your car and mark the left wheel. From there, just mark a yellow line like this inside the dashboard. So this is the reference line for your left side judgment. Okay, it's very easy, guys. See over here, I'll be crossing this vehicle. I need to keep him over here. I crossed easily. Don't panic and just keep the speed around 40-45, not more than that, because if you're driving new for the first time on the highway, you can use around 70-80, no issues, but maintain the lane also. So let's go ahead. Please do follow and like and subscribe the page or channel if you're watching from YouTube. Okay, I'll be going ahead. I'll be taking a left turn, so watch out over here. Every vehicle I cross, I'll be keeping it left side of the middle of the car. From where we see the car middle is traveling, from there the car's left wheel travels. Okay, that's very simple. Now left indicator, I'll be going left side. See over here, brake, little brake. From here we'll be doing the judgment of the car right side and the left side. Okay, it will be very simple to understand. If you're having an issue, please do comment. Now see over here, from where this part is going, from there my car right wheel is traveling, and from where the car middle is going, from there the car left wheel is traveling. Because we sit at an angle on the right side, we see every car or objects closer to the right side. For example, I'll be showing you some judgment. See over here, a vehicle is in front of me and this vehicle is coming inside these two lines. This two line is the safe distance traveling. Okay, so from where the road is empty, from there I need to keep these two lines to pass safely. Okay, like this. And any vehicle is coming on right side of the middle of my car, I need to take that vehicle to the left side of this middle. And while keeping it left side, just give a gap like this. This is the corner. If I need to cross him, it's very easy. I just need to keep him outside this point. Okay, no, because there's a bike coming from opposite direction. Now I can make it like this. He just goes outside that mark, I can cross him, overtake him easily. And before you overtake, always check the front distance of any vehicle is coming from opposite direction. Also check the overbeam. See over here. So this is the car 12 position. This tells us the steering direction, from which direction I'm steering it and how the wheel is getting turned. Now if I want to overtake this small vehicle, I just need to keep him left side of this mark. Okay, so like this, it's already on the left side of this mark. I can cross him. Yeah, I'm safe to cross. And whichever vehicle is coming on the front, I just need to keep him outside this. Just think two lines coming, just going outside from your car. Two lines, one from the A pillar right and another from the A pillar left. Okay, and whichever vehicle is coming from front on the right side, just keep that vehicle outside this line and just think a line going outside from this mark. Okay, so right now this small vehicle is going in front of this, coming inside my right side of my car, right? If I want to cross this vehicle, I just need to keep him left side of the middle of the car, like this. It's very easy. Okay, see over here, I'll be just overtaking him. But right now over here, I just watch a auto is coming from the opposite direction, so I stopped over here. Okay, any vehicle that is coming on the right section of your this windshield, you can't cross it. To cross easily, you have to keep that vehicle left side of the middle of the car, the left section. Just divide the windshield in two sections, one this section and another this section. Okay, now second gear, the car has been totally stopped. So if right now I need to overtake these vehicles, how? Just give a pick from here. If the road is empty, you can just give some race. Now I need to overtake this truck. How to overtake this truck? First of all, I need to check my sides, okay, the overbeams, any vehicle is trying to overtake me or not. Then I need to check the front distance, any vehicle is coming from the opposite direction or not. then just try to keep this vehicle, this truck, outside this mark. Okay, see there is a turning, and don't ever overtake on the turnings. See, there is another truck coming from the opposite direction. I cannot overtake him. So always pick before you overtake. Okay, in a single road, always pick before you overtake, because that's very dangerous to overtake, as that is a complete blind spot ahead. I cannot overtake. I can't see anything right now. So this truck is coming over here. If I want to overtake this truck, I need to keep this truck outside this point, outside the middle of my car, and then outside this point, this mark. That's another blind spot. Don't ever drive on the blind spot. Okay, if it is a night time, I'll be giving some upper and deeper on the lights so that he can give me pass. But right now it's daytime, but sometimes it worked also. I cannot overtake him. I have to brake. No option. It's done. Okay, he gave me side and I went ahead. That's it's very simple, guys. Always remember, the car steering tells us the direction of the car movement, the direction of the car wheel movement. Okay, and over here this is the right section judgment, this is the left section judgment, and these two paths tells us the car's direction. Okay, the car's direction. Wherever there is an empty space of the road, I need to keep this point on the empty space of the road, like this. And always watch the word beam. How much distance is there from your car to the side of the road, to the edge of the road. Okay, see over here, the car is coming from here. If I need to save my car, I just need to keep this car outside this line. Now I'll be turning my car. How to turn it? Whenever you're trying to just have a U-turn, just take your car to the extreme left side, like this, slowly, like this. Okay, and wherever there is a much wider space in the road, like this over here, I'll be turning my car over here. Indicators on the right, I went to the left. Now fast gear, car is completely stopped. Now I'll be turning my car like this. Now I have to take reverse it. What's the back? Okay, now it's done. It's done. Okay, easy. It's the U-turn. Okay, sometimes it happens there is some narrow space, so I have to take my car a little reverse. It's in the third gear. If I need to cross these vehicles, all vehicles is coming from this side, to give them pass, I have to keep those vehicles outside this line, and whichever vehicle is going in front of me, to pass them safely, I have to keep them left side of the middle of the car, watching the word beam. Okay, this vehicle is over here, keep that over here, and I'm ready to pass like this. Now fourth gear. Now again I'm traveling over here. If I need to keep this vehicle safe from my car, keep it over here, ready to go. There's a small vehicle ahead, and if this small vehicle is a bigger one, then I have to give him more space from this point. But if any vehicle you're crossing, if around 5 feet, okay, or 6 feet, you can cross it easily by keeping it left side of the middle of the car. But just remember to keep little space from the middle. Which space? From the middle towards left side. Over here, see over here, where there's a space on the road, I'm just trying to keep this point, this to this location, on an empty space of the road. Okay, that's very easy. But there is a good example ahead. You can see there are two cars moving in front of me, right? If I want to overtake those two cars, what I have to do? First of all, these two cars are traveling on the right section of my windshield. First of all, divide the windshield in two sections. One this section and another this section. There are two sections, right? So if I want to overtake those cars, first of all, I need to keep that car left side of the middle of my car. Okay, that's very easy. But before overtaking it, just make sure the car is over here, because this is the left wheel gap. This is the left wheel over here, the angle. Okay, the left wheel angle. And also make sure to check the word beam while you overtake, because it might happen you overtaking some car and someone just behind you is trying to overtake you. So that's the reason, always make sure to check the word beam before you overtake. Over here there's some vehicles, always make sure to pick before you overtake. I'm picking over here like this, and there is a turning ahead. Don't ever overtake at the turnings. Okay, that's dangerous, because there's a blind spot. Don't overtake on the blind spot. So just use these markings so that it will be easy for you if you're a new driver. Just mark the two lines over here. These two lines depicts the direction of flow of the traffic, of my car, not the traffic. So if I want to overtake this car, I just need to keep him left side of the middle of the car, and we sit on the right side, right? We sit on the right side, so we just observe every objects or vehicles closer to the right side. if I can see this car is over here, but in reality the car position is over here, because we sit on the right side, we observe all objects, all vehicles closer towards the right side. Okay, it's very easy. I'm not able to overtake them because there are continuously traffic coming from the opposite directions over here like this. So if I want to overtake, oh my god, there are no chance to overtake, okay. So I have to keep this lane, just maintain the lane if you are driving on a single road. Okay, the vehicles are coming from the opposite directions also, because there is a vehicle ahead. It has made an accident, I think. Yeah, there is a crane ahead. So I just need to maintain my lane, just keep back to back. Okay, back to back, bumper to bumper traffic. Over here I just need to cross him. I'll be easily crossing him. Yeah, it's easy. Now I just need to maintain the distance from him. Yeah, see over here. Oh my god, the wheel has been tilted. I cannot overtake him. There's no space because another vehicle is coming from front. It's bad luck. So see over here. Oh my god, the wheel has been tilted to a different angle. I think it's got stuck somewhere. Now I just need to maintain the gears. Okay, now my car is on fast gear. Okay, just clutch, release of clutch. Now I need to cross him, but how? Not able to. Continuous vehicles is coming from the opposite directions. Now it's done. Okay, the empty space of the road is over here, so I just take my car on extreme right side. Okay, now like this, the vehicles are coming from front. Okay, see over here, little brake. Don't panic guys. Okay, just drive slowly, enjoy your driving. Like this, cannot go because some vehicle on the right side. Okay, now easy to travel. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe. Okay guys, meet you on my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye bye.